Is there something that you have in your mind at all times to make sure you're on track?
That's a good question. Uh, hmm. I'm trying to think what I have in my mind. Uh, I mean, the biggest thing that I have in my mind is what, what would a person who has a high degree of principles do, right? What is the higher road? What is I don't like to use the term higher road because too many people have usurped that phrase to be something that's cowardly, actually, and afraid of conflict. But what is a person of a classy person? How do they respond? How do they act in a situation, right? What is someone who doesn't have an ego investment, who is is someone that you would admire? How would they respond, right? How would they act? And that's kind of what's always going through my mind, because I feel like that's a good guideline to know what actions you should take and how you should respond to people.
Okay, thanks, John. This is Gola.
Yeah.
I truly appreciate what you do.
Yeah, no problem.